It wasn't long ago when we all used our house phones to make calls. Then came cellular, and we ditched our house phones in favor of smartphones. House phones, we thought, had become a thing of the past. PBX My Home is here to change that. PBX My Home wants to supercharge your house phone by connecting it over your broadband link to your own personal PBX in the cloud. A PBX enables you to create your own mini phone network without having to purchase a bunch of plans from the traditional phone carriers. Friends and family can be assigned extensions on your PBX, so everyone can talk and even video conference for free over their existing internet connection. In addition, PBX My Home will arrange to have your current 10-digit phone number ported over to a VoIP provider, so you'll still be able to dial mobile and landline subscribers from your PBX. And there's more. You can create custom extensions on your PBX, so you can listen to your favorite podcasts, ask questions of Alexa or ChatGPT, get help with language translation, or even craft a voice response menu to order takeout. Young ones will love the setup, since they'll be able to call grandma and grandpa all by themselves on a private line, and you needn't be concerned about anything malicious on their device. A PBX and public VoIP line can support dozens of users and should cost less than $10 per month for the entire package. If you're interested in giving PBX My Home a try, just shoot us an email and we'll get you started. Welcome to the future of house phones. Welcome to PBX My Home.